Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to one more session on competency focused questions, class 10 ICSE. In the previous three sessions, we solved many multiple choice questions. In this session, we are going to go ahead with a short answer type of question which carry 3 mark and 4 mark. Before we actually start solving the questions, let me request you all guys to subscribe my channel, that is Ignite Math ARP, if you have not yet subscribed, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get the update on my channel. So now let me take the very first question, that is a shopkeeper marked a pressure cooker at rupees 1800. So I can write the mark price of the cooker. So mark price of the pressure cooker is equal to rupees 1800, and the rate of GST is 12%. See here, the customer is demanding the shopkeeper to give the cooker to him for rupees 1792, including 12% of tax. So what percent of discount must be given by the shopkeeper to the customer? So now obviously 1800 should be reduced to give the cooker to the customer for 1792 including GST. So what I do here is let the discounted price of the pressure cooker is equal to rupees X. On this X, 12% tax is imposed. So X plus 12% of X is equal to 1792. So now here 4 3s are 4 25s are, I get over here this one as 25x plus of 3x divided by 25 is equal to 1792. So I can write this one as 28x divided by 25 is equal to 1792. So I can write x is equal to 1792 into 25 divided by 28. So x is equal to, when you divide 1792 by 28, we get it as 64 into 25. So x is equal to rupees 1600. So means what children? The reduced price, that is nothing but a discounted price, is equal to rupees 1800. So what is the discount then? Discount is equal to, earlier it was 1800, now it is been given for 1600. So the discount given by the shopkeeper to the customer is rupees 200. So now we are supposed to find out rate of discount is equal to discount divided by mark price, that is 1800 into 100. So these 20 get cancelled over here. I get this one as 200 by 18, that is nothing but 100 by 9. Okay, so that is nothing but 11.11%, which can also be written as 11 1 by 9%. Okay, this is the rate of discount. Now let's go to the next question children, that is question number 51. A man opened a recurring deposit account in a branch of PNB. The man deposits certain amount of money per month such that after 2 years, so n is equal to 24 months here. Okay, n is in terms of months. Okay, so n is equal to 24 months. After 2 years, the interest accumulated is equal to his monthly deposit. So now if I take, let the monthly deposit is equal to, rupees p, then interest, okay, interest whatever is accumulated is also rupees p. So in the case of recurring deposits, we know that interest is equal to p into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into r by 100. So here interest is p, that is equal to p, then n is 24 and 25, that is n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into r by 100. We are supposed to find out the rate of interest. Clear, children? We are supposed to find out the rate of interest. So 2 into 12 is 24. This 24 will get cancelled with that, and p will also get cancelled. We'll be left with 1. If I take 100 on the other side, I get this one as 25. R is equal to 100. So R is equal to 100 divided by 25. R is equal to 4% per annum. So the rate of interest is 4%. Clear, children? So now let's move to the next question. Akshay buys 350 shares of rupee 50 per value of company. So means what? NV of a share is equal to rupee 50. The dividend declared by the company is 14%. Rate of dividend is equal to 14%. The return percent from the shares is 10%. So rate of return is equal to 10%. Find the market value of each share. So we know that the rate of dividend into NV is equal to rate of return into MV. So rate of dividend is how much? 14% into NV is 50 is equal to return percent is 10 into MV. Percent in the sense 100 will get cancelled. I'm supposed to find out MV. So 14 into 50 divided by 10 is equal to market value of each share. So market value of each share, okay, I'm going to get this one as, see, look at this, this 0 get cancelled. 14 5 is 70. So rupees 70 is the right answer. Children, whenever it is a subjective type of questions, the steps is also very important. So don't skip the steps which carry marks. Clear, children? Yeah. So now let's move to the next question. It is an inequation. You're asked to find out the minimum and maximum value of x when x belongs to R and when x belongs to the whole number. Now let me write the inequation over here. So 2x minus 1 by 2 smaller than or equal to 2x plus half. This is smaller than or equal to 5 1 by 2, that is nothing but 11 by 2 plus x. So now I'll take the first part over here. 2x minus 1 by 2 smaller than or equal to, I can write this one as a 4x plus 1 by 2, and I will take the other two parts, that is 4x plus 1 by 2 smaller than or equal to 11 plus 2x by 2. So here 2 will get cancelled. I'll be left with 2x minus 1 smaller than or equal to 4x plus 1. Then 2x goes over here and 1 comes over here. I get minus 1 smaller than or equal to 4x minus 2x. So minus 2 smaller than or equal to 2x, that means x is greater than or equal to minus 1. So over here again 2 will get cancelled. So 4x plus 1 is smaller than or equal to 11 plus 2x. So 2x is taken to the other side, 1 is taken to the other side. So 2x smaller than or equal to 11 minus 1, 10. So x is smaller than or equal to 5. If I write the range of values over here, x is greater than or equal to minus 1, smaller than or equal to 5. So now let me consider the first question. Maximum and minimum value when x belongs to R. So if x belongs to the set of real numbers, what is the minimum value? Minimum value will be minus 1 and maximum value is going to be plus 5. Okay. Second question, if x belongs to the set of whole numbers, right? So minimum value, there is a change in minimum value because minus 1 doesn't belong to the set of whole numbers. Minimum value would be 0 and there won't be any change in the maximum value, that is maximum value remain as 5. You need to understand, children. See, 0 over here, minus 1 is over here, minus 2 is over here, 1 2. So now whole number, in the sense we are talking whole numbers from 0 onwards on the right side. So minus 1 doesn't belong to whole number. Clear, children? So this is the right answer. Now let me take the next question. So solve for x. If x by 5 by x plus 4 root 3 is equal to 2 root 3 by x square. So now what I do here is 5 by x plus 4 root 3 is equal to 2 root 3 by x square. So now I'll take the LCM. Here nothing means what? 1 is there. So 5 plus 4 root 3x by x is equal to 2 root 3 by x square. So 1x will get cancelled. I'll be left with 5 plus 4 root 3x is equal to 2 root 3 by x square. When I cross multiply, this becomes 5x plus 4 root 3 x square is equal to 2 root 3. So now I bring it to the standard form. I can write this one as 4 root 3 x square plus of 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Now I'm supposed to split it and factorize it. Look at the screen very carefully, children. 4 root 3 x square, I will write plus over here, then I will write minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. I had told you one trick, children. Whenever you are splitting and factorizing, if there are minus sign, there should be two minus sign, otherwise no minus sign. Plus into minus is minus. Now it is in the standard form of a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now I'll take the coefficient of x square and coefficient of c, that is constant term. So 4 root 3 into minus 2 root 3. 4 into 2 is minus 8 over here. 3 into 3 is, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 24 I am getting it. So factors of 24 I need to find out. So here you need to understand very carefully, children. When I simplify that, I should get a 5. So I take this one as 8x and 3x. So if you want, you can interchange this one. 4 root 3x square minus of 3x plus of 8x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. So what I do, I'll consider these two first. I'll factorize because it will be easy for me to factorize this. 2 is taken common. 4x minus root 3 I'll write equal to 0. So whenever you're splitting and factorizing, whatever we get the expression inside the bracket should be same. So 4x minus root 3 I'll write over here. 4x should only be remain inside the bracket. So what should I take out? So I should take out only x. I should take out only x. Clear, children? So now along with x I need to take out root 3 because root 3 is also there in the variable. I need to take x and here root 3. So the root 3 into root 3x into 4x is 4 root 3x square. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 and x. So the factors are 4x minus root 3, then root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So applying zero product rule, 4x minus root 3 is equal to 0, or I can write root 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So here I can write 4x is equal to root 3. So x is equal to root 3 by 4. X is equal to root 3 by 4 is one of the value of x, and over here I can say root 3x is equal to minus 2. Then x is equal to minus 2 by root 3. I have to rationalize the denominator. Don't keep the final answer with the irrational denominators. So I get the final answer as minus 2 root 3 by 3 is the other value of x. I hope so it is clear to you. So now let us go to the next question, that is question number 55. The mark price of a toy is same as the percentage of GST that is charged. The price of the toy is 24 including GST. Taking the mark price as x, they are only telling what to be taken as x. So let the marked price of toy is equal to x. Then percentage of GST. So GST is also equal to x percent. So taking the mark price x, form an equation and solve for x. So whenever you are paying the money for the toy to purchase it, it is the actual charge of the toy plus of the GST percent of the toy, that is x by 100 into x, together you are giving it as 24 rupees. So I can write this one as x plus x square by 100 is equal to 24. When I take LCM, it becomes 100x plus x square is equal to 2400. Now I have to express it in the standard form. X square plus of 100x minus of 2400 is equal to 0. Now again I split it and factorize. X square, see here 100 I need to get in the middle. So what can I do over here is plus of 120 x minus of 20x minus of 2400 is equal to 0. So x is taken common, x plus of 120 minus 20 is taken common, x plus of 120 is equal to 0. So I can write x plus 120 is one factor, x minus 20 is another factor. Apply zero product rule. X plus 120 equal to 0, x minus 20 is equal to 0. This is zero product rule. So x is equal to minus 20. This is ignored because price cannot be in negative. So x is equal to 20. So asked to form an equation and find the value of x. What is x over here? We have taken mark price of toy is equal to rupees 20. So now let's move to the next question, that is question number 56. Mean proportion between two numbers is 6 and their third proportion is 48. Find two numbers. So let the required numbers be x and y. Okay, mean proportion between two numbers is 6. In the sense, children, x is to 6 is equal to 6 is to y. Mean proportion is 6. Now product of means equal to product of extremes. I can write xy is equal to 6 into 6, that is xy is equal to 36. I just call this as equation 1. Later their third proportional is 48. So x is to y is equal to y is to 48. Third proportional is 48 in the sense of y is nothing but the mean proportional. So product of means equal to product of extremes. Again I can write this one as y square is equal to 48x. Clear, children? So I can write y square by 48 is equal to x. I call this as equation 2. So now I can write from 1 and 2. See, xy is equal to 36. In place of x, I will write this one as y square by 48 into y is equal to 36. So I get y cube is equal to 36 into 48. So y is equal to cube root of 36 into 48. So that is nothing but cube root of 36 can be written as 6 into 6. 48 can be written as 6 into 8. So since it is cube root, I can group these three sixes as one group, and 8 is a perfect cube whose cube root is 2. So I get y is equal to 12. So substitute y in equation, any one of the equations, equation 1. Okay, so x into 12 is equal to 36. So x is equal to 36 divided by 12. So x is equal to 3. So therefore I get the two numbers as one number is 3 and the other number is 12. So I can write the required numbers are 3 and 12. The required numbers are 3 and 12. So now let's move to the next question. Pamela factorized the following polynomial. So these are the given polynomial. She found that the result as x plus 2, x minus 1, x minus 2. Using remainder and factor theorem, verify whether the result is correct or not. If it is incorrect, give the correct answer. So now f of x is equal to 2x cube plus of 3x square minus of 3x minus 2. So now they are telling that one of the factor is x plus 2. So x plus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. I can find out f of minus 2 is how much? 2 into minus 2 the whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 the whole square minus 3 into minus 2 then minus 2. So here I get it as minus 8 into 2 is minus 16, then 4 into 3 is plus 12 over here, then plus 6 minus 2. See here 12 plus 6 is 18 minus 16 minus 2 is again 18. I get 0. So that means what, children? X plus 2 is a factor. X plus 2 is a factor. Yes. Now let me check with the second factor, that is x minus 1. So next I'll consider the other one, x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So f of 1 I'll find out. If f of 1 I find out and it is equal to 0, then I can say x minus 1 is also a factor. That is by factor theorem. This is by factor theorem. This is by factor theorem. F of 1 I'll find out 2 into 1 cube plus of 3 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 minus 2. So that is nothing but 2 plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. So what is my conclusion then? X minus 1 is also a factor of f of x. Now let me check with the other one, that is x minus 2. So x minus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So f of 2 I'll find out. Then I can write this one as 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 minus 2. So that is 8. 8 into 2 is 16 plus 4 into 3 is 12 minus 6 minus 12. So here what I get is 28 minus, that is 20 I get. Right. So that implies, since I am not getting it as a 0 by factor theorem, I can say that the expression x minus 2 is not a factor of f of x. Now my responsibility is to find out the other factor. Here children. So now to do that one, what I do, I divide the polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square minus 3x minus 2 by one of the factor, because already I got x plus 2 and x minus 1 as the factor. Since the degree of the polynomial is 3 over here, we have to have 3 factors. So now x plus 2 I will divide. So 2x square 2x cube plus of 4x square I get. Then this is minus these two will get cancelled, minus of x square I get over here minus 3x, then minus x square minus of 2x I get over here after changing the sign. So I get this one as minus x minus 2. So minus x, then I get this one as minus x minus 2. Okay, clear children? Sorry, this is 1 over here, not x, this is 1. So plus, then plus, these two will get cancelled. So I can write f of x is equal to x plus 2 is one of the factor, then 2x square minus x minus 1 is other factor. So now x plus 2, I split this one and factorize 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1. So I can write this one as x plus 2, then 2x is taken common, x minus 1 plus 1 x minus 1. So over here I can get this one as x plus 2, then x minus 1, then 2x plus 1 are the factors of f of x. Do not write the commas in between. Okay, they should be written in the product form only. See, this was the extra factor what we found other than whatever Pamela has got. Clear children? So next question is question number 58. Here they have given you two matrices A and B, and also it is given to you that M is equal to half of A minus twice of B plus of 5 times of I, where I is the identity matrix. So now half of matrix A, that is minus 6, 0, 4 and 2, then minus 2 into B, that is 1 0 1 3 plus of 5 into identity matrix 1 0 0 1. So now scalar multiplication, I need to multiply each and every element of this matrix A with half. So I get minus 3, then 0, then 2, 1, then minus, I keep as it is, multiply each and every element with 2 over here, 2, 0, 2, 6, then plus of 5, 0, 0, 5. So here I need to simplify that. Minus 3 minus 2, then plus 5, then I get 0 minus 0 plus 0, then 2 minus 2 plus 0, then 1 minus 6 plus 5. So the final answer is going to be 0 0 0 0 is the final answer. Clear, children? Don't skip any of the steps. Now let us move to the next question, that is question number 59. Write the nth term of arithmetic progression AP consisting of all the whole numbers which are divisible by 3 and 7. So here LCM of 3 and 7 I need to take, that is 21. It should be divisible by 3 and 7 both. So the AP will be like 21, then 42, then 63, okay, so on. Clear, children? So this is the AP. So how many of these are two-digit number? Before that we are supposed to find out the nth term. So you know that nth term of an AP is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. So over here D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 42 minus 21, that is 21. So A is also 21. 21 plus n minus 1 into 21. So I get this one as 21 plus of 21n minus of 21. So the nth term of this AP will be 21n. Clear, children? So this is the first, okay, answer. Now second one, how many of these are two-digit number? Clear, children? So you know that the maximum two-digit number is 99, which is a multiple of 21, which is just lesser than 99. How many numbers are there? You need to find it out. So look at the question over here, children. Need to be very careful. The second part of the question, A is equal to 21. We know D is equal to, we know that D is also equal to 21. Need to understand, children. Then the last number is what is the last number over here? It is 84. 84 is the last number, because soon after 84 the number will be 3 digits, which is multiple of 21. So we can easily count it. In fact, 1 2 3 4 numbers are there, but still we have to find it out. So Tn is equal to 84. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 84 is equal to A is 21 plus of n minus 1 into 21. So I can write this one as 84 is equal to 21 plus of 21n minus of 21. This will get cancelled. 84 divided by 21 is equal to n. So therefore n is equal to 4. Can easily count it over here in fact, children. Okay, so I can say that there are 4 numbers which are divisible by 3 and 7, and also 4 numbers are of 2 digits. The 4 numbers whichever we are going to write, they are of 2 digits, because what are the 2-digit number they are asking? 4 2-digit numbers are there. Clear, children? So now next one is find the sum of first n terms. Clear, children? So n is equal to 10 over here, A is equal to 21, D is also equal to 21. So you know Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So sum of 10 terms, 10 by 2, 2 into 21 plus of 10 minus 1 into 21. So I get this one as 5, then 42 plus 9 over here, 9 into 21 is 189. So I get this one as 5. When you add this 11, then here I get this one as 231. So 5 into 231, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, then 5 twos are 10 and 11. So this is nothing but the sum of 10 terms of the given AP. Clear, children, all of you? Right. So let us move to the next question now. Write first 5 terms of the sequence root 3 to the power of n if n belongs to the set of natural number. So now I can write, see, root 3 to the power of 1 is the first term, root 3 to the power of 2 is the second term, root 3 to the power of 3 is the third term, root 3 to the power of 4 is the other term, root 3 to the power of 5 is the other term. Clear, children? So when I am writing root 3 to the power of 1, it is root 3 itself. Here this becomes root 9, this becomes root 27, and this becomes root 81, and this is root 243. So here root 3 I'll keep as it is, root 9 is nothing but 3. So here this can be written as a 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so again root of 81 is 9. This is nothing but 3 to the power of 4 into 3. So here 3, root 3 and 3, this can be written as 3 root 3, 9 and 9 root 3. Now I need to check whether it is GP or not. So what I do, this is nothing but T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. So now I'll find out the common ratio, that is T2 by T1. So 3 divided by root 3. Okay, so when I rationalize the denominator, root 3 by root 3, I get 3 root 3 by 3. I get this one as root 3. Clear? So again I'll find out R again. R is equal to T3 divided by T2. So T3 is what? That is 3 root 3 divided by 3. I get this one as root 3. I'll check once again. R is equal to T5 divided by T4. That is nothing but T5 is 9 root 3 and T4 is 9. I get this one as root 3. So what's my conclusion? Is sequence AP or GP? So the given sequence is GP. Obviously it cannot be AP. Clear? So next one, if the sum of its first 10 terms is so and so, find the value of P. So now B, so here we get to know A is equal to root 3 and also common ratio R is equal to root 3. We know that Sn is equal to, you must know the formula, children. Sn is equal to, see here, R, modulus of R is modulus of root 3, which is greater than 1. So I use the formula A into R to the power of n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Okay, so sum of first 10 terms. So S10 is equal to A. What is A? That is root 3. Then what is R, children? That is root 3 to the power of 10 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So I get this one as, see, sum of 10 terms is given to you. P into root 3 plus root 3. I'll substitute it later. I'll just write this one as root 3 first of all. Then look at this. Root 3 to the power of 10, in the sense it is 3 to the power of half, okay, into 10. So that is nothing but 3 to the power of 5. 3 to the power of 5 is how much? That is 243. So here I can directly write it one as 243 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. So later I can write this one as S10 is equal to root 3, then 242 divided by root 3 minus 1. I'll rationalize the denominator, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So later I can say that 242 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 the whole square minus 1. So I can get this one as a 242 into, look at this children. So this becomes a 3 plus root 3, because root 3 into root 3 is 3, root 3 into 1 is root 3, divided by, I get this one as 2. So now 2 ones are 2, 121 are. So 121, then it is 3 plus root 3. So the sum of 10 sums is given to you. It is given to you as P into 3 plus root 3. See, 3 plus root 3, 3 plus root 3. So what is the value of P? P is equal to 121. P is equal to 121 is the right answer. Clear, children? Yes, I hope so you enjoyed today's sessions, and in the next section we are going to solve 61 onwards. Till then, take care, keep working, bye bye.